Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you thinking about becoming a lawyer in the UK but not sure where to start? Maybe you're confused about whether you need a law degree or what the difference is between a solicitor and a barrister. Well, good news. You are in the right place. In today's video, we are going to walk you through the entire process of becoming a lawyer in England and Wales. We will explain how the legal system works, what lawyers actually do, the steps to qualification even if you don't have a law degree. Plus, at the end of the video, we are offering a free 15-minute consultation to help you figure out the best path for your own legal journey. So make sure you watch all the way through for the details. Let's jump in. The UK legal systems and what lawyers actually do. Let's start with a quick overview of the UK legal system so you know what you are stepping into. In England and Wales, the legal system is common law based, which means much of the law is developed through court decisions as well as legislation passed by Parliament. There are two main types of lawyers here, solicitors and barristers. Let me break it down. So what is a solicitor? Well, they are usually the first point of contact for clients. They work in law firms, companies, government bodies, or even run their own practices. They give legal advice, draft contracts and documents, handle transactions, sometimes represent clients in lower courts as well. Solicitors tend to have a more client-facing and office-based role. Whereas on the other side, barristers are the courtroom specialists. They represent clients in higher courts, argue cases before a judge or jury, write legal opinions, and are often hired by solicitors to give expert advice or handle trials. Barristers usually work independently in chambers and they wear those iconic wigs and gowns in court. Yes, it's still a thing. So think of solicitors as the advisors and organizers and barristers as the courtroom specialist. You can choose either path or even start as one and later become the other. Now let's talk about how to become a lawyer in the UK. Well, there are two main routes to become a solicitor and one route to become a barrister. So how do you decide whether you want to be a solicitor or a barrister? Ask yourself, do I enjoy working closely with clients day to day? Then that would be a solicitor. Do I love public speaking, debating, or arguing a case? That would be a barrister. Do I prefer structured work in an office? Again, it's a solicitor. Do I thrive under pressure in high-stakes situation? More looks like a barrister's role. Both roles are important and respected, and there's even a small number of people who qualify as a solicitors and later transition into becoming barristers. It's flexible. Now let's dive into becoming a solicitor, which is the more common legal career in the UK. As of 2021, the solicitor's qualifying examination replaced the old system of the LPC and training contract. You can now become a solicitor through the SQE route, which is much more flexible and open to people with or without a law degree. Let's see how the step-by-step process looks like. Well, you will need a UK undergraduate degree or equivalent. It can be in any subject, law, history, psychology, biology, doesn't matter. Well, if it is not in law, you don't have to do a law conversion course like the PGDL, but it can help prepare you for the next stage for sure. Now let's discuss about passing SQE1 and SQE2. SQE1 tests your legal knowledge. Think of it like a multiple choice question exam on topics such as contract law, criminal law, etc. Well, SQE2 tests your legal skills such as interviewing, advocacy, legal writing, and research. You can prepare for these exams through a range of providers. There are full-time, part-time, and online courses available. You will want to give yourself enough time, especially if you are balancing study with work. You will also need 2 years worth of work experience, and this can be much more flexible than the old training contract route. QWE can be a paralegal job, volunteering as a legal advice center, working in-house, or in a law clinic at uni. It doesn't have to be in one place. You can piece together different roles over time. But it should not be with more than 4 employers. Well, once you have passed SQE 1 and 2 and completed your QWE, you apply to the Solicitors Regulation Authority, SRA, to be officially recognized. And that's it, you are a solicitor. Let me pause here to say this. If you are coming from a non-law background, do not panic. You do not need to go back to university for another degree. The SQE route was designed to make it easier for career changers or people from diverse backgrounds to enter the legal profession. That said, if you want a strong foundation in legal knowledge before sitting SQE 1, you can still do a conversion course like the PGDL, which is also known as Postgraduate Diploma in Law. But it's totally optional. If you dream of standing in court, cross-examining witnesses, and making legal arguments, then becoming a barrister might be for you. Here's how it works. Now, to become a barrister, you will require a law degree. If in case you have got a non-law degree, then you would need to convert it by taking the PGDL program. Unlike the solicitor route, the barrister's route does require law-specific study. If you didn't study law at university, you will need to take the PGDL. Then join an inn of court. You must join one of the 4 inns of court, namely Lincoln's Inn, Gray's Inn, Inner Temple, or Middle Temple. They offer support, funding, and networking. Next step is bar course. You will complete the bar practice course, which is also known as BPC. This replaces the old BPTC. It focuses on advocacy, ethics, and legal writing. Next comes the pupillage. This is a 12-month practical placement with a set of chambers. Think of it like a barrister apprenticeship. It's competitive but essential. Finally, tenancy. After pupillage, you can apply for tenancy, which allows you to practice as a self-employed barrister. So barristers follow a more traditional route, and there's more emphasis on academic excellence and courtroom skills. Now let's talk about money. Solicitors' salaries, if working at high street firms as a junior, would earn somewhere between 25 to 35k. City firms 60 to 90k as starting. Top commercial firms, also known as Magic Circle, 100k plus. Senior solicitors or partners 150 to 500k plus. On the other side, barristers' earnings at pupillage level 18 to 50k, junior barristers 60 to 100k, and top QCs, now known as King's Counsel, 250k to a million plus. Please note, criminal and family law tend to pay less than corporate or commercial law, but many lawyers choose them for passion, not pay. Now let's discuss getting some legal experience. Before you qualify, it's a great idea to get some hands-on legal experience, such as volunteer at a Citizens Advice Bureau, join your uni's law clinic, apply for vacation schemes or open days, shadow a solicitor or barrister, work as a legal assistant or paralegal. Experience makes your CV stronger and helps you figure out what areas of law you like. Still not sure which career path is right for you? Don't worry, I've got something just for you. We are offering a free 15-minute consultation to help you understand your options, decide between solicitors versus barrister, plan your next steps, courses, exams, work experience, and more. To be eligible, like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave in the comments section, I'm interested in the free consultation. We will reply with a short form, and you will get personalized advice based on your goals, and it's totally free. Well, that's all for today. I hope now you have much more clearer picture of how to become a lawyer in the UK. Whether you are studying law, changing careers, or just starting out, this journey is possible. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more career videos, and comment with your questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.